Hi, my name is ZAHIRULHAQ inside ZULKARNAIN, entrance number 217056. Today, me and my roommates will present about the physiology of the digestive system. Now, without further ado, let's begin with the oral cavity. Oral cavity consists of salivary glands which produce mucus and enzyme amylase. Amylase convert starch to maltose and dextrine. The motility of oral cavity is voluntarily, which is mastication with the aid of tongue and cheeks. The food is transferred into bolus before swallowed, or also known as deglutition. Bolus is then transferred along the esophagus by peristalsis and the gravity towards the stomach. Secondly, let's talk about the esophagus. Esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach. The esophagus contracts as it moves food into the stomach. This lower esophagus sphincter opens to let food pass into the stomach from the esophagus, and it prevents food from moving back up into the esophagus from the stomach. The most common disease involved in the esophagus is called achalasia. Achalasia is a motor disorder characterized by the complete loss of muscle movement within the esophagus. The causes of achalasia is the nerve in the esophagus become damaged and it stops working properly, which is why the muscle and ring of the muscle do not work. There are three symptoms of achalasia. The first one is weight loss. The second one, bringing up back food and then bringing up digested food. And lastly, the third one is the drooling of vomit or saliva.
Next, we will move on at stomach. So, the bolus will enter the stomach through gastroesophageal sphincter and the press against stomach wall. Then, give it stretch receptor stimulated and exciting impulses to exocrine gland. It will increase gastric juice secretion and also gastric motility. The enzymatic reaction will be the protein that will react with pepsin and also produce the proteases and also peptone, while triglycerides will react with lipase to produce fatty acid and also dextrine.
The liver is an accessory digestive organ, so the location is beneath the diaphragm and top of the stomach. The function of the liver is production of bile and is aid in the breakdown of fats. Fats by location, glycogen conversion, which is glycogenesis and glycogen storage occur, and then the production of cholesterol and special protein to help carry fat to the whole body.
So next is the small intestine, which consists of three parts, which is duodenum, jejunum, and also ileum. So there's a few compartments which is important in the small intestine, which is villi, which is a finger-like projection that can increase the area, the surface area to aid absorption. And then we have motility, such as tonus, mandular, and also segmentation to mix foods and enzymes together to promote contact with the intestinal wall. And then we have enzymes such as bile, pancreatic juice, and also intestinal juice in order to break down carbohydrates, protein, and also lipids. Next, we have hormones such as secretin and CCK, which stimulate the release of the digestive enzyme. And there's microbes in our small intestine such as lactobacillus and also streptococcus in order to help break down complex carbohydrates and also vitamins.
Then we're going to move on with pancreas. So this organ will produce enzymes in pancreatic juice, which are carbohydrates, proteases, and also lipase. What will happen in this organ? So there will be proteases and also peptones that react with trypsin and also chymotrypsin that will produce peptides. Besides that, peptides will react with peptidase and also produce amino acids. Lastly, diglycerides and also monoglycerides will produce free fatty acid that will reaction of lipase.
Next, we move to the large intestine. Large intestine is divided into cecal, semicolon, and semicolon and rectum. The main function of the large intestine is about water reabsorption. And there is two types of motility that occur in the large intestine. The first one is postural. It occurs in the colon area and leave a rounded shape in the feces. The second one is the mass movement, occur from end of small intestine to the rectum, and function is to push intestine towards the anus, filling up the rectum to initiate the defecation reflex. And the main disease that occurs in large intestine is vasculitis. It occurs by inflammation in the colon, result in reduced water reabsorption and decreased ability to store feces in the colon.
Moving on to the last part of our digestive system, which is rectum. So when the physiology of rectum is simple, which is a chyme enters the rectum, and when the rectum is already full, the chyme will cause the stretch receptor to distend the rectum, and then the signal will be sent to activate parasympathetic nervous system, which result in the rectum contracts in order to push out the feces through anal canal and also anus. So the common disease in anal is anal sac disease, which caused by infection of gland called anal sac in either side of the anus, which is a most common disease in anal region in dogs.